In front of me is Motorola Razr 60, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Connected Devices. Then tap on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, tap on the one you want to connect to. Then hit pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them or manage connection of any of paired devices, use gear icon next to the chosen one and check out all of those options. Like, forget. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!